Welcome back to Sam's Ideas Hub, your creative junction for discovering smart, profitable, and time-saving innovations that can make daily life smoother and more efficient. In this segment of Unique and Assembled Useful Ideas 2025, Part 2, we'll explore how organizing your most used items, from the bathroom to the car, and from craft corners to closets, can be transformed into an art form with practical, sellable, and easy-to-implement solutions. These ideas aren't just about organizing, they're about upgrading your lifestyle while unlocking small business opportunities in the home improvement and personal accessories niche. Let's begin with bathroom and toiletry organizer ideas, a highly relevant category since the bathroom is a compact yet high-traffic area. Think about how much time is wasted hunting for your favorite shampoo or that razor that keeps disappearing. Now imagine streamlined solutions like waterproof, transparent over-the-door organizers featuring labeled compartments for each family member. No more morning chaos. Visualize elegant wall-mounted corner shelves made from rust-proof aluminium or bamboo that don't just store toiletries but elevate your bathroom's aesthetics. Add to that magnetic soap holders, UV-powered toothbrush sterilizers, and multifunctional laundry stools that double as storage bins. Even better, consider under-sink modular drawer systems with anti-mildew coatings and soft closing sliders. These aren't just great for your own home, they're perfect for Airbnb hosts, boutique hotels, and e-commerce stores selling home solutions. Beautiful, compact, and hygienic, these products are perfect for daily convenience and commercial promotion. Bathrooms, despite being compact, serve as a central hub for hygiene, self-care, and quick morning routines. Often overloaded with personal items like shampoos, body washes, razors, lotions, toothpaste, skincare essentials, and towels, they quickly become chaotic. The goal is to blend convenience with aesthetic functionality. One of the smartest concepts is the use of over-the-door transparent pouches with waterproof materials. These can be customized for every family member, labeled by name or color. Each pocket can hold daily essentials, from toothbrushes to facial cleansers, making access quick and easy, especially on rushed mornings. This solution is perfect for shared bathrooms, especially in apartments or dormitories. Moving forward, wall-mounted corner shelves made from anti-rust aluminium or polished bamboo create sleek, modern storage. These units utilize vertical space without cluttering countertops. Some can even include drainage trays, which help reduce water buildup and mildew. You can also explore magnetic soap holders that keep soaps suspended mid-air, reducing mess and enhancing hygiene. Toothbrush sterilizer boxes, powered by USB or solar energy, eliminate bacteria and keep brushes sanitized. Innovative additions like a foldable laundry stool that doubles as a hidden storage bin for cleaning supplies or extra toiletries bring utility and minimalism together. Don't forget the valuable space under your sink. Moisture-proof modular drawer units are game changers, allowing categorized storage for bath essentials, tools, or even spare toiletries. These units can be equipped with anti-slip mats and air vents to avoid mold. Such solutions are not just practical for home users, they're also profitable in hospitality industries. Real estate agents, hotel designers, and Airbnb hosts are actively seeking elegant bathroom accessories. Sell these items in bundles, offer customization with luxury finishes, or market them through home improvement platforms. These organizer ideas combine everyday functionality with massive commercial potential. Next, dive into the world of car trunk and travel organizer ideas. Every time you go on a road trip or even a grocery run, your car becomes a rolling storage unit. So, why not make it efficient? Introduce collapsible trunk organizers with adjustable zipped compartments, designed to store everything from emergency kits to camping gear, snacks, or pet supplies. Waterproof compartments can safely store post-hike shoes or wet clothes after a swim. Add thermal insulation to a section and you've got yourself a mini travel cooler for long drives. Consider back seat hanging organizers with space for tablets, books, snacks, and water bottles, turning your car into a mobile living room. Bonus: use Velcro or magnetic locking for stability during sharp turns. These are game changers for rideshare drivers, traveling families, or delivery workers. Products in this space are not only practical but also in high demand across online marketplaces and travel accessory stores. With customization options and brand partnerships, they could become a steady income source for creators and sellers alike. Cars aren't just vehicles, they're often mobile homes, especially during travel, road trips, or daily commutes. The trunk and backseat areas are often misused, leading to lost items, clutter, and frustration. One of the most innovative products is a collapsible trunk organizer made from waterproof fabric with zipped sections, mesh pockets, and Velcro base grips. These can hold emergency kits, tools, snacks, blankets, and groceries. Ideal for families, delivery drivers, or people who travel frequently. Introduce features like thermal insulated compartments that maintain food temperature during road trips or picnics. Add detachable cooler bags that snap into the trunk organizer for flexible use. Another upgrade is built-in charging ports or solar-powered lights to help locate items at night. On the back seat, multi-pocket hanging pouches that attach to headrests can store tablets, water bottles, tissues, and kids' toys, turning long rides into organized, peaceful journeys. Think of designs with foldable trays, adjustable straps, and safety lock clips for better usability. From mobility to productivity, let's turn our lens to stationery and office desk organizer ideas, an essential area for freelancers, students, and anyone working in a digital or physical workspace. A tidy desk means a tidy mind. Think about magnetic desk boards with interchangeable modules for pens, paperclips, tech accessories, and even mini plant holders to bring life into your space. Sleek vertical file racks in metallic pastels or wood finishes save space and style up the desk. Consider cable management systems built into smart trays with wireless charging, USB ports, and cooling features for laptops. A foldable desk mat with embedded pouches, pen loops, and sticky note panels adds to the mobile work culture. Just roll it up and carry it like a scroll. For artists and crafters, multi-tiered boxes with color-coded drawers allow easy access to tools while maintaining neatness. These aren't just useful, they're extremely giftable. Personalize them with initials, logos, or motivational quotes, and you've got a product line that's perfect for corporate gifting, educational institutions, and co-working space providers. Whether you're working remotely, attending virtual classes, or managing a home office, an organized workspace can dramatically improve focus and workflow. The first idea to revolutionize the desk space is a magnetic desk grid system, a metallic baseboard with attachable modular containers for pens, USBs, sticky notes, and even mini clocks. Users can move, rearrange, and customize their grid depending on their needs. Next comes the vertical file sorter that works as a tower, with color-coded slots for different projects or categories. Combine this with smart trays embedded with wireless charging pads for phones and smartwatches. Some trays come with digital clocks, ambient lighting, and pen compartments, a complete fusion of function and style. For those who need flexibility, foldable workstation mats equipped with card slots, pen loops, and charging pockets roll up for easy travel. Now let's open the wardrobe and dive into closet and wardrobe organizer ideas. We all know that finding the right outfit often feels like a treasure hunt in a cluttered space. But it doesn't have to be that way. Start with stackable shelf dividers that clip onto hanging rods, perfect for layering sweaters, bags, or even footwear. Then explore vacuum-sealed storage bags with anti-dust and anti-mite protection, which are essential for managing seasonal wardrobe changes. Innovative hanger converters that allow vertical garment stacking can literally double your hanging space. For accessories, modular jewelry trays with velvet lining, sliding belt racks, scarf ladders, and pull-out tie holders create a boutique feel right in your home. And here's something futuristic. Imagine a digital wardrobe assistant app connected to a Bluetooth scanner that catalogs your clothes, tracks laundry cycles, and even recommends outfits based on the weather. Whether for busy professionals, fashionistas, or minimalist lifestylers, these closet solutions hold commercial potential and everyday usability. They also appeal to fashion influencers and home designers who can promote or co-brand such solutions. Now for the dream zone of many creative souls, craft and hobby supplies organizer ideas. This is where imagination meets organization. If you've ever tried knitting, sewing, painting, or scrapbooking, you know how quickly your workspace turns into a mess. Start with mobile rolling carts with color-coded drawers that glide into closets or corners. Add customizable toolbox-style storage with adjustable dividers that suit beads, threads, or paint bottles. Pegboards with hook attachments can be mounted on walls for scissors, tapes, ribbon rolls, or paintbrushes, making everything easy to reach. Introduce transparent, label-ready zip bags for buttons, glitter, or stickers, essential for crafters who sell their products online. For small businesses, create a dedicated shipping station. Think wall-mounted shelves for packaging materials, mini drawers for thank you cards, and bins for stock items. Even a fold-out craft table with embedded drawers and a side lamp can be a game changer for hobbyists and Etsy shop owners. With rising interest in DIY and handmade projects, this market is wide open for new innovations that blend functionality with flair. Moving on to a modern-day essential, makeup and skincare organizer ideas. As skincare routines evolve and makeup collections grow, proper organization is no longer optional. Picture tiered acrylic towers with slide-out trays for lipsticks, eyeliners, and nail paints, perfectly visible and accessible. Add rotating carousel caddies that separate skincare steps, cleansers, toners, serums, and creams. Smart LED vanity mirrors with built-in storage and light-adjusting functions aren't just luxurious, they're practical. On-the-go users can benefit from travel organizers with zip-locked sections for brushes, travel-size bottles, and sheet masks. How about skincare mini fridges with designated rows for daily, nightly, and weekly products? The convenience of routine-based arrangement combined with tech functionality is redefining vanity setups. And here's a bonus idea: custom makeup boxes engraved with user names or daily motivational quotes. These organizers appeal not only to personal users but also to makeup artists, beauty salon owners, and influencers who can endorse or personalize them for their audiences. Creativity needs space, but it also needs structure. Crafters often find themselves surrounded by scattered supplies: glue guns, beads, ribbons, scissors, paintbrushes, and more. First up, multi